Hello, today we will learn how to answer linear regression questions on your calculators. Please read the question. Choose List and Spreadsheet, title your columns, and enter your data. You may pause here and complete your data, then you can continue. When you enter your last data, don't forget to press enter, otherwise your calculator cannot recognize it. I like to work on calculator page. Press calculator, then stat calculations, and linear regression. You will choose 3. Our x variable is temperature, dependent variable is chocolate, and our calculator will save the function as f1. Here is your gradient, y-intercept, and my setting is float 3, so I can see everything in 3 significant figures. Our correlation coefficient is also here. So we need to make estimation by using this function. Press variable, recall your function f1, and type 30. We are trying to estimate number of hot chocolates, so your final answer must be an integer, so it is 92. In the last section, we will find equation of regression line x on y. So we will just switch the variables. Press menu again, stat calculations, linear regressions. This time, number of chocolates is our independent variable, and temperature is our dependent variable, and our calculator will save it as f2. Press enter. As you see, both y-intercept and the gradient are different than the previous one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please.